next to 10 maybe, cited the standards by the national level. Type is the warfare. Warfare between standards. Standard of Christ and standard of Satan. It is a warfare other than word. But it is a warfare other than the word, for it began with the word of the angel. It is a warfare while at the word. It created in every nation, every city, in the heart of everyone. Satan is turned always to come under his standard. Satan desires all men to come under his standard, endures them with riches, honor, power, all that ministers to the last and pride of men. Christ on the contrary, invites all to fight under his standard, but he offers no worthy allurement, only himself, only Jesus, only the Son of Man, born an outcast, raised in poverty, rejected as teacher, betrayed by his friends, crucified as a criminal. Therefore, his followers should not be confounded forever. They are certain of ultimate victory against him. The age of hell cannot prevail. The powers of darkness shall take them before the splendid battle. The battle is scarce, but resplendent. They shall enter into glory with Christ, your King, who armies, who thunders, who generals, and to every master grant the imperial prayer command. Choose Christ or Satan. Choose sanctity or sin. Choose heaven or hell.